WordPress 3.9 has just been released with a collection of new features designed to improve your WordPress experience. In this short video, I'll take you on a quick tour of those new features. This version of WordPress is focused on improving the media experience. So what exactly does that mean? It means that it's now easier than ever to add photos, audio, and video to your WordPress site. It's also easier to set up your WordPress themes thanks to the new widget preview in the theme customizer. I'll show you that in a second. And the theme manager has had a significant makeover. It's now much easier to find new themes. And as usual, there have been a number of changes under the hood that you may not notice at first glance. The post editor has been updated to produce cleaner code. One big improvement there is that you can now safely paste text from Microsoft Word without messing up the format of your pages. There were tricks for doing that in the past, but now it's automatic. It just works. Let's move on to WordPress and take a quick look at some of these new features. Now, in the past, if you wanted to add a photo to a post, you would go to the Media Manager. You'd click this button right here above the toolbar, and you'd be able to either upload or pick something from your media library. You can still do that, but now, if you've got a folder with some images, all you need to do is drag the image onto the post editor, and that starts the upload process. And from here, it works just like what you're familiar with. You can insert it directly into the post. And so it really is a drag and drop process. This same process works for audio and video as well. You can just drag your media onto the post editor, and that automatically starts the upload process. There have been improvements to the photo gallery as well. As you can see here in the post editor, we have a live preview of a photo gallery. This shows you what the photo gallery will look like on your page when you publish it. The preview has been improved for other forms of media as well. In this post, I've embedded a video, and from the post editor, I have a live preview. I can actually start playing the video and see what it'll look like in my post. And the same is true for MP3s. I have some MP3s embedded in this post, and I have the preview as well, and this is playable. And you may notice this is not a single MP3 file. This is a playlist of 4 MP3 files. So you can create your own playlists from MP3s. I should mention that you can create video playlists as well, so playlists aren't just for music. When you go to search for a new theme in the Theme Manager, you'll now see these big preview images that give you a much better idea of what these themes look like. And speaking of themes, setting up a new theme is always a challenge. In the past, you had to experiment quite a bit to figure out where the widgets would be positioned. But the setup process is now much more straightforward thanks to the addition of widget previews in the theme customizer. Click the Customize button, and you'll see this screen, which is the theme customization screen. You'll notice the widgets have been added to this screen. They weren't here before version 3.9. So instead of guessing where a widget might appear, you can experiment with it on this screen. Click Add Widget, and you'll see a list of all of the widgets that are installed. You can go ahead and add any widget that you want, as many widgets as you want, and you'll see exactly where they appear on your website. You can also use this screen to rearrange them. And best of all, your visitors won't see the changes you make on the screen until you click Save and Publish. This allows you to experiment with and fine-tune your widget settings so everything looks just right before you publish changes to your website. Full tutorials on all of the latest changes are available in the WordPress Essentials course at wpapprentice.com. That's the best way to stay current with the rapidly evolving world of WordPress. Membership includes lifetime access to the core WordPress training videos, and as I said, those are updated with each new version of WordPress. Good luck with your update, and we'll see you inside the member area.